Good morning, Knights. It's time to stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Good morning, Knights. It's Thursday, November 10th. I'm Alex.
And I'm Henry.
The Bulletin's on. Do you know when the band concert is, Henry?
I don't know.
He doesn't know when the band concert. Pull up the thing. Pull up the band concert.
Pull it up.
Thing. Pull it up.
Pull it up. Well, now I know.
Now I know.
Everybody knows.
I know when the band concert is.
Guess who's going to be in the band concert? Us. Peep it. When you know the day.
You guys know, and I do too.
We know. Everybody knows.
I know when it is. The food drive continues through this Thursday on November 10th. Let's see how many items have been collected by each class so far. Freshmen added 4 and have now acquired 97 items. 10th graders had the biggest gain today with 28 new items, making their total 70 items. Juniors added a handful for 33, and seniors added 27 and moved into second place with 88 total. Today's tally approaches 300 total donations. On Monday, we will share the final totals. Good job, Knights.
As we dive into a 3-day weekend, a group of Knights will be busy representing BHS at the Girls Swim State Swim Meet. Coach Andrea is proud of these swimmers and happy to see their hard work paying off and qualifying for state. Way to go, Araya,
Sandy,
Cammie,
Iris,
Brooklyn,
Gabby,
Avari,
Rebecca,
Trinity,
and Nora.
And way to go, Coach. Good luck at state.
Can we just keep swimming for a moment? Boys Swim is set to begin next Monday. That's right, if you're interested in Boys Swim, head to the YMCA next Monday after school. Take the I-Bus if you do not have a ride, and you'll be dropped off right to the YMCA.
BHS Wrestling will meet in the weight room next Monday at 2:30 for day 1 of practice. So get ready to work out after school next Monday and show up at the weight room at 2:30.
Girls basketball tryouts will also begin on the 14th. Those girls interested in playing basketball this year, tryouts will take place from 5 to 7 p.m. in the gym.
There will be a meeting tomorrow after school. The meeting will run from 2:15 to 2:45. When is the baseball meeting? Tomorrow after school. If you have any questions, talk to Coach Els or Coach Nielsen.
Earlier this week, the BHS DECA Club participated in the Fall Leadership Conference in Bellevue. Mr. Webb thanks DECA members for representing BHS well. Look at this group. Nice job, Knights.
Remember, the BHS Key Club Holiday Evergreen fundraiser begins today. Key Club will be selling wreaths, door swags, and other holiday greenery. See a Key Clubber to order one today. Sales will run through November 20th, and items will be ready for delivery on Saturday, December 3rd.
Knights on Stage will present their fall musical this weekend. Admission is free, and there will be only 3 performances, so show up and support your Knights on Stage. Shows will be held on Friday and Saturday at 7 p.m. and Sunday at 2 p.m. Come out to support your Knights on Stage.
Baseball meeting is actually today. And now let's see who's celebrating their birthdays today, tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday.
First up, we say happy birthday to Hunter Taylor and Kenyon Spooner. And then on Friday, we say happy birthday to Connor Walsh and Henry Miller, and Sinead Diggs and Tanner Harvey.
On Saturday, James Penatusi is the sole Knight celebrating a birthday. And on Sunday, Christopher Morgan and Emmanuel Smith share a birthday. Happy birthday, one and all.
Well, that's all we have for you today. Have a great weekend, and remember to thank a veteran.
Go Knights.